welcome back to another video. Today I am here with Maggie Green Dragon.
Yes,
She said she was a fan, which is so nice. She's such a nice person.
My brother's here to say hi. His name's Sparrow. Hi guys. So I'm here with my brother Sparrow. Thank you for Sparrow. Say hi.
Okay, so we're going to be playing.
Her name is Maggie.
Yeah,
Say hi.
she is a fan of both of us.
Yeah. She's a child. Okay. You want the Sparrow? He's almost done.
Okay,
Who's counting?
you.
Okay. Yeah, because I did get caught first.
So I'm gonna turn off names. Okay, she said I'm Raven BTW. Okay, nice name.
Okay, so Raven. Wait, is she yeah. Okay, it should be
Okay. I'm scared. Oh my god. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Also. Okay.
I'm not the here I come. Even if it's my friend.
She's not even answering.
Okay. I don't know what to say.
Dang it!
Hello. Just stay here, stay. Can't move. Okay, and now she's hi. Dude, you just say something and cheater. Oh wait, no, what did you say?
I said OMG and never go easy on anyone.
Wait, are you still in there?
Yes.
Wait, what? You even shower.
Hide and seek is so.
Are you in my horse?
Hide and seek is so.
Her name is Iron.
Um,
What? She's only level 3. Except the stable is right.
It's the stable is full. It said. That's what it said when I invited.
No, we'll already have it.
Oh. My sister's brushing her hair, so. It's like a big pup.
Okay, I'm not counting.
I'm just going to change my hair.
I'm probably gonna get a ponytail.
She literally the fan
I
of the
know, I
second.
think your friend's supposed to, but okay.
This is like my OG hair that I'm wearing.
Hey guys, let's see if we can do a challenge. Let's see if we can do a challenge trying to say everybody's nicknames.
No, we're playing hide and
I
seek.
know, but but we're also. Let's see if this whole video we can actually call each other by our nicknames.
I'm just trying to like find a hiding place. This isn't working very well.
Who's counting?
I don't know.
I don't know. You haven't found me yet.
Why do
Who?
you say scary spider?
I don't know who.
Should I come out because I've been here the whole time?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna come out. You see it? Wait, what? I'm freezing. No, I'm frozen.
She said, "Don't know."
You know I'm like chapstick.
Everyone go to your horses. So we can like get track of everyone.
You were installed.
The fan literally said nothing to me.
I didn't know you
I
were.
love global shop. Will I Sparrow? Sparrow, I buy you want to get like grass for your horseshoes. I can buy horseshoes. I can buy like good horseshoes.
Okay, well, that's going to be the end of the video.
That's why it's sea baby. Why as we
That's going to be the end of the video. Oh, she's.
Tell you guys shout out to Raven.
Yeah, bye. Bye, guys.